Students, those who says good evening, I am also saying good evening. Online students, am I audible? Come in. Okay, students. Now we'll move to the further. Previously, there is a concept called what? Filter. Open the other. Very much. So last class we completed the filter concept. Okay, filter. So what is the use of filter? Special functions in the programming. Filter related function we discussed it. Filter concept. Syntax also I send you, and the execution process also we send. Just look at that. Filter function is used for filtering out some elements from list of elements by applying to the function. Example, now syntax variable name is equal to filter of function name, comma, iterable object. Explanation I'm giving it. Here variable name is an object of class filter, and we can convert into any iterable object by using the typecasting technique. Okay, next function name represents either normal function or anonymous function. Iterable object can be any sequence type, list type, set type, and dict type. The execution process of filter function is that each value of iterable object sends to the function name. First step. If the function name returns true, then the element will be filtered. Element will be filtered. If the function name returns false, then that element will be neglected or not filtered. This process will be continued until all elements of iterable object completed. This is related to the explanation of each function, filter function. Okay. And today I'm talking about concept called what? Map function I will discuss. Map. I'm discussing map and don't take much time. It is very, very easy for you. Map function I'm going to discuss. See the syntax, students. See the first requirement you see. Requirement you take it. Requirement. My requirement will be like this. See that your marks I'm taking there. Old marks I'm taking. Old marks is equal to something like, uh, 40, 60, and something like, 20, 20, some 30, and some 80, some 10. These are the marks. And the university decided to give 20% bonus marks, 20% bonus marks, 20% bonus marks for all the students, for all the students. Then you see, students, what will happen because of this query? Because of this query, what is happening? The old marks list is going to prepare which list? New marks list it is going to prepare. What the new marks list is going to prepare? How it is going to be? The 40 will become what? 20% applied and getting what? Come on. It is going to get some new marks or not? 40 plus 40 into 20%. 20 by what? 100. So this will be cancelled it. 40 plus what? 8. It is going to become what? 48. 48. Next 60. 60 plus 60 into 20 by 100. So this 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 60 plus what? 12. It is going to become what? 72. So 72 will come next. Like that it is going to come 30 plus 30 plus 30 into what? 20 by 100. It is going to become what? 36. Like that it is going on becoming what? 80 will become what? 96. 10 plus what? 2. That is 12. Like that it is going to get it what? Some new list will be coming or not? Some new list will be coming. This is called a new list. This is called a new list, students. New list. This is called which list, student? Old list. So the old list is converted into new list by applying to what? Some condition. Some business problem will be taken. What I'm applying now? In order to get this new list, we need to apply a logic. How do you apply, students? Tell me. Variable name is equal to, tell me first, map of, same filter of like earlier. Function name, comma, what is this now? Iterable object, iterable iterable object. Now I'm going to take it. Function name, comma, iterable object I'm taking. Each value of iterable object passing to whom? Function name. That function name contains the logic of this 20% bonus. How do you write this function name? How do you write it? DEF. What is the function name now? Something like, increment. What it is taking? Marks. Marks. What is the statement here? Marks is equal to marks plus some percent. What is this now? 20%. Marks into 20 by what? 100. 100. I say what? Return marks. Earlier, filter function will take what? Function name. That function name returns what? True or false. But map function related function name do what? Some modification will do. Tell me, first value of iterable object sending to whom? Function. Function. That function will take the value and applying some modification, but return marks. That marks will be stored in where? Variable name, left side of that. Example is what now? Map. What is my function name? INCR. What is my iterable object here? Old marks. Old marks. INCR, comma, old marks. And sending to whom? First value of old marks sending to whom? INCR. What is the value of INCR? What is the first value of INCR? 40. 40 plus what? 40 into 20 by 100. 80. 8. Sorry. 40 plus 8. 48. 48 will be returned to whom? Variable name. That variable name is nothing but what I will write it here. New marks. New marks. That new marks is of which type? Map type object. Like filter type object today is what? Map type object. Map type object. That's why I'm converting into which type here? List. I'm typecasting into list type. I'm typecasting into set type. I'm typecasting into tuple type. Better to go for typecast to either list or tuple because set will not allow duplicates. No? That's why. Better to go for list conversion. Are you able to follow this? So, what is the use of map function, students? It will convert the old list of values to what? New list of values by applying to the function. What is my function here? INCR. One more example. Take it. Online students, old salary list. Old sal list is equal to some 100 comma 150 comma 200 comma some 50 comma some 60 comma some 20. This is called old salary list. Your company decided to give company decided to give 20% bonus 20% bonus to every employee to every employee to every employee. How do you do that? A company decided to give 20% bonus to every employee. How do you do this now? New sal list is equal to 20% bonus. What is this now? Come on, what is this becomes? 20. 100 into 100 plus 100 is the thing with the 1 lakh I'm writing it. 100 into 100 by what? 100%. It is becoming what? 100 plus what? 20%. Kada? Sorry. 20%. Students. 20%. This 100 cancel. That is becoming what? 20. This is becoming what? 120. Like that 150 also, 200 also, I will go on getting what values? New values. Are you able to understand this? Converting what? Old iterable object into new iterable object by applying to the function. How do you write the function name now? How do you write it? List of map of What is the function name? Increment. Increment. Comma, what is that? Old sal list. Old sal list. What is the old sal list? You tell me. Here I'll write it. DEF old sal list of what? Sal. What I am doing now? Sal is equal to sal plus how much percentage? Salary into how much percentage? Sal by 100. 100. So 20%, not 20%. How much percentage you want? That much percentage. And finally says what here? The return what? Sal. Every modified value kept into the left side variable. Understood? Online students, did you understand this example? Quickly, everybody need to respond. Is it understandable? Right. So, shall I show you the map function concept? Let me show you the concept here. Map function concept I'll show you. Then I'll go for complete examples. So here, special functions, map here, try to see. Come on, read out now. Map is used for obtaining new iterable object from existing iterable object by applying old iterable elements to the function. In other words, map function is used for obtaining new list of elements from existing list of elements by applying to the old list of elements to the function. Variable name is equal to map of function name comma iterable object. Easy. Here variable name is an object of type class map, and we can convert into any iterable object by using typecasting functions, list type, set type, all those things. Here function name represents either normal function or anonymous function. Iterable object represents sequence, a list, set, dictate type. The execution process of map function is that map sends every element of iterable object to the specified function, comma, process it, and returns the modified value, that is the result, and a new list of elements will be obtained. This process will be continued until all elements of iterable object completed. This is related to the concept of what? Map. Right? Open the notes, all of you. Is the concept clear? Right up. In morning batch students, in our NumPy and Pandas, lot of other batch students are there. They don't know even slicing concept also. Slicing also they don't know. Slicing also full doubt. Full doubt. They completed Python. How survive you don't know. Of course, you also forget. I know that. Forget, huh? You remembered. Morning, whatever I explained, you understood. Okay. So if it is that, it is good. They don't know even slicing also. Index error also they don't know. But still they completed Python. How they completed, I don't know. How they will attend the classes without seeing that, we don't know that. Right? Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept, which will accept list of, which will accept a list of old salary elements, which will accept a list of old salary elements, which will accept list of old salary and obtain the new salary, and obtain the new salary, and obtain the new salary by giving 20% increment, by giving 20% increment, by giving 20% increment, by giving 20% increment. Right. Students, let's go to the pie chart. And functions are very, very important when you come to object oriented. That's why be careful about these functions. So functions, if we know well, you can do everything. Once we don't know functions, we can't do anything else. That's why be careful. Go to the place. I hope that and 4 p.m. functions, 4 p.m. functions. This is our folder name. And I want to go for what, map function. I will take it. Come on. I'm taking map function example1.py. Map function example1.py. What is this now? Program for, come on. Reading old list of salaries, and obtains new list of salaries, by giving, by giving 20%, 20% of increment, 20% of increment. Okay. Start with, first I need to go for what? Take a main program now. Watch it. Come on. Old cells, old salaries is equal to mm, int of cell, or float of cell, whatever you like it. I'm taking float of cell for cell in input of dot what? Split off. Split off. There I will take it. This is called what? Cell. There I am writing print of what, enter list of old salaries. Old salaries. Enter list of old salaries. You print list of what? Old salary. List of old salaries. There I am writing, comma what? Old cells. Try to run this once and see this now. 100, 200, 300, 400, 150. So you got old salary values, you got it. Now I want to apply what? New salary. What is that now? NSL is equal to new salary list is equal to, just I am writing map. Function name is called what, increment, comma what, old cells, I said. What is increment here? Function name. A normal function name I am writing. Please look into that. DEF, increment of what? Cell. Cell will come. I need to say pass here. What is the meaning of this entire thing? Pass the old value. First value of old cell to whom? Increment. First value will be going over there. Suppose, for example, is called what? 100 is going there. 100 I am going to increment with how much percentage? 20%. How do you write this now? Come on. Sal is equal to sal plus sal into what? 20 by 20 by 100. 20 by 100. Say what now? Return called sal. Return sal. But sal values, all of them are preserved into the left side variable. And print that type of NSL, which is going to print what type? What type? Class map. Earlier one it is called what? Filter. Filter. Tell me, any object. This is a function. Returns an object of map. Such a type of function is called what? Yesterday, filter function returns filter object. Today, map function returns map object. Such a type of functions are called what? Factory. Who said? Good. Factory function we can call. Factory function. Factory function. So that is called factory function. You just run this. Here you see 100, 200, and the next 300 and 400. See students, it is printing what? Map. Map it is printing. But a map value, if you print it, memory address only printing. Value set memory address will print. It won't print the data. See that it is 100, 200, 300. If I say address only printing, but not printing original values. What should I do that time? You convert. What should I do? Convert. Which type? Here, I'll write it. Here, NSL is what type? Here, NSL is called which type? Here, NSL is called. Here, NSL is called an object of which type? Class map. Class map. NSL. And that NSL convert the map object. Convert what object? map object into which type? List. How do you convert? New sal. New sal is equal to list of what? NSL. NSL. You print that new salary list. New sal list is equal to, say what now? NSL. NSL, new salary list, new sal. So try to print it. Say here 100, 200, 300, 400, 50. See students, 100, 20%, 120, 300, 240, 300, 360, 400, 480, 50, 60. Are you following? If you want to print a tabular format, what is this now? Old salary one side and a new salary one side. Are you following me? Old salary one side, new salary one side. Like 100 and next is called 120. 200, next is called what 240. Next is called 300 and next is called what 360. Like that, I just want to print it. To print like that, we need to go for what? We need to go for what? One small concept I will tell you. Did I explain any time zip concept? Hmm? Explained or not explained? Not explained. అది గుర్తుంటది. చెప్పినవి గుర్తుండవు అసలు. అది హ్యూమన్ సైకాలజీ దట్ ఈస్. So whatever I said, you will not remember. Whatever I did not explain, you will remember. Look at, no problem. LS1 is equal to, list 1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. LS2 is equal to, list 2 is equal to RS and DR, something like RT, and next is called KV, and I'll say something like, TR. This is my names of the people. I want to print roll numbers. These are all called roll numbers, and next is called what? Names. I want to say 100 RS and 20 RT and 30 KV, and next is called what 40 and then TR. This is my data. This is my data. How do you print this data? In a tabular format, I want to print it. So this is one entry, another entry like that. This is going to be called as what? Merge. I want to merge both of them. Merging both of them means not like a plus symbol or something else. I'm going to use it. If I merge it, it will become a problem. You go for zipping it. There's a function name called what? Zip. What zip will do, students? That will first entry of both the list will be merged as one entry. Second entries will be made as one entry. Third entries will be made as one entry. Fourth entry will be made as another entry. Are you able to follow? That I want to prepare. For merging that, what I'll do, zip I will use it. LS1 comma what? LS2. What zip will do? It will merge first entry of both of them. First entry of LS1 merged with first entry of LS2. Second entry of LS1, second entry of LS2. Third entry of LS1, third entry of LS2. Fourth entry of LS1, fourth entry of LS2. Merged. That I am keeping into Z is equal to. Z is equal to zipped together. And what is the Z here? Print Z comma type of Z. Z is an object of zip class. Map class function returns map object. Filter will return filter object. Zip will club both of them. So inside the zip, do you know how it is available? This is a Z object. 100 10 RS, that is zipped as one entry. 20 and RT, that is one entry. 30 and KV is one entry. 40 TR is another entry. These are called what? Separate entries will be created. Separate zipping will be done. I think you are following me. So print that. It is going to be a zip type, class zip type. Memory address will be printed. Now I want to go for getting the data. How do I get the data? For take your own variable name. Variable 1 and variable 2 in where Z. Z contains how many entries? Two entries. Two entries. Just now I said, na, like this it was available. What are these two entries available here? Like N and RS. Next is called what? 20 and RT. Next is called what? 30 and KV. And 40 and what? TR. What is this is called Z. Z. These two entries are there inside of that. This first entry will be there in V1. This will be there in V2. Both of them you print it. Both of them you print it. This also will be coming to what? 20 will be there in V1. RT will be there in V2. So I will print inside. I'll print inside. Print of what? V1, comma. It will be taking as what V2. What will happen now? First entry, second entry. It will be printed all of them something like this. I think you are following. This is called one of the most important concept. The same zip object can be converted into dictionary also, because dictionary expects what? Key comma value pair. See, D is equal to dict of what? Z. Z is containing pair elements. That I am converting into Z. Dictionary also you can convert. How do you get the data there now? For key comma value pair, in where D dot what? Items. You can do like this also. Print K comma. I am doing what V I am saying, comma V I am saying. See this data. What happens? D dot items. Z of this. First print of D. What happens here? So it is going to be getting Z object. What is this? Coming to the point of it, this is a list here and a list 2 here. Repeat. D is equal to dict of Z you say. Print of D here. Print of D here. This is the D. D. Same thing I did here also. Why it was printed earlier? Because in zipping time, it reaches to the last. All entries are over. Here you see. Are you getting? The data you get it. Print of this data. You print this data. Print of this value. K comma V. And you got the data like this. Are you able to follow? So if we come to this point, here I am writing in this place. This is called old salaries. I will take out and I will take it as a new salaries. I'll write it. Print of what I'm writing like this 50. I'm writing 50. Next I'm writing here. See that what is happening. Print of what old salary list. Old salary list. Backslash T. New salary list. New salary list. Here I am writing for OSL, comma NSL in where in NSL in this place something like new NEW in where it is called zip of directly. What is my old salary list here? What is the zip of Madhubavulu? Are you there? Here I am writing old salary list, comma what is this now? New sal I am taking, new sal, new sal I am writing. That is a zipped together. I am printing what backslash T. Will take it one backslash T, backslash T, backslash T, backslash T. This I am printing to see the good output. If you don't know this entire discussion, can happily go for previously what I said. Format of here you say I'll write it OSL, comma what new SL. New SL I will write it. Close this bracket. So OSL this is old salary list. OSL you write it. Try to run the students. See this data. 100, 200, 300, 400. I got it. Old salary, new salary. Like that, I got completely this data. I hope you are following me. Right. This concept, what I used over there. What is the concept I used? ZIP function I used it today. ZIP function I used it today. 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees, 1,500 and 4,000 and 6,000 and 1,200 done, and you are getting old salary 20% is like this. and you got the data like this. I hope this is more clear about it. I think so. What is the new concept here? What is the new concept? You got it? Zip function, you got it. Did you understand? Zip function. But one thing you understand about the zip function, students, please look at one point I will tell you. LS1, LS2. This is containing what? Four roll numbers are there, two names are there. Four roll numbers, two names are there. When I zip it, come on, for what is that? X comma Y in where? Zip off. What is this now? LS1 comma what? LS2. LS1, LS2. Print of what? X comma. And writing what you know? Y. I'm writing Y. X comma Y. LS1 comma LS2. What is happening? Zip will zip it only equal length in values. 10 and R is one entry, 20 and RT is one entry, 30 and 40 will be neglected. 30 and 40 will be neglected. What values it will take? Equal values only will be zipped together. See the result of it? Equal values only will be zipped. Are you able to follow? Getting or not? So zip is the most important function you need to remember. So I think students, it will be clear. Online students, is a zip function clear or not clear? Is a zip is clear or not clear? If zip is not clear, you'll get a problem. Okay now? Are you following offline students? Yeah, boys, remove the cap last. Remove the cap. Why cap is required? Anything is there in the cap? Hmm? Follow me now. Are you understanding? Right. Open that. Next, write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept, which will accept, very, very important, which will accept list of numerical values, list of numerical values, list of numerical values, list of numerical values, and find, and find, and find, uh, find their squares and square roots. 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 Right. Classwork or homework? Classwork or homework? Huh? Okay, classwork. This is by using which function it is? Normal function. Same example. Of course, that example which I dictated, I will come. Let me complete the same thing by using which function, you know? By using, I'll tell you example2.py. Example2.py, I'm going to say. Here I'm writing. Let me carry this entire thing. I'm going to write it like this. This part, I'm going to take everything by using anonymous function. 2.py, 2.py, there I'm taking. What is this now? Increment, the same function, increment, I'm taking increment is equal to, what is this now? I'm using which function now? Anonymous function I'm using. How do I write it? Lambda, Madhubabulu. Spell out. Next after that, lambda, next. Come on. Variable name, colon, expression, shall plus shall into 20%. 20 by what? 100. Same thing now. Already explained now. Which function it is? Anonymous function. How do you know that it is an anonymous function? How do you know that it is an anonymous function? Lambda. Lambda. So, lambda is a keyword. Try to run this now. Same to same. Say 10, 20, 30, 40. So, I'm getting old salary one side, new salary another side. Anonymous function. You can write this anonymous function directly in this place itself. In this place, where is it? Here. Directly you can write here itself. Where is it? Map here. Map of. Directly you can write it. So last and final, I will write it in a shortcut process. Here I am writing 3.py, 3.py. Coming to this place, here I am writing, here I am writing, there 3.py, 3.py. There I am writing. In place of this increment, directly I can write lambda function. How do I write lambda function? Directly I can write it. Where everything I am writing, you write it. Come on, what is this now? Lambda shall colon shall plus shall into 20 by 100. That's all. There I am writing convert the map object into list. Here only I will convert into what? List of. I'll convert here itself list of. Here I am going to say this is known as what here? New cell. New SL I will take it. New SL. And that time you convert, remove this now. Directly you can write it. And new cell. New cell. Try to run this. Beautiful. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got it. The left hand side, old salaries. Right hand side is called what? New salaries. Able to follow? Right. Come to our example. Come to our example. What is that example? I need to go for map example 4.py. Let us go to the map example 4.py. There I will write it. Map example 4.py. So here, come on to the point back. Here I am trying to write it, put it across. 4.py, 4.py. Program for reading, program for reading. All these things you remove, students. There I am saying list of what? Values and obtain what? Squares, squares and square roots and square roots. Square roots I want to get it. So 4.py, enter list of values. List of numerical values. Enter list of numerical values. Come on, here I am taking values is equal to, come on, first, list of lambda na. Where are the lambda? Lambda na. When you are saying irregular answers, I'm getting, because yesterday I went to, along with my daughter, to JEE advance I went. Yesterday, exam was done. Paper 1, paper 2, morning to evening. There, after the first session is over, second session, 2:30 that will start, 2:30 to 5:30. While they are going, all people are going, enter into the hall. I was standing there when all people are going. There I was standing up. One boy is there. So that boy, father came, mother came. Both of them came. So when they're coming to session 2 means already JEE mains qualified. So, and qualifying means what? Well, it depends on individual capacity. And it doesn't mean that by birth nobody will get by default education. They're hardworking and all those things. So this maybe this boy, I don't know what is that capacity. The mother is telling to this. I was standing here only. A lot of people are there. Mother is telling, if you don't know anything, keep ABCD, anything you keep it. She's saying like that. And if they're internally feeding, that's not correct. If a negative mark is there, what will happen? Negative marking is there compulsory. Something negative mark will be there. For some of them, no negative mark will be there. Negative mark for which one they want to give? For numerical integers. Suppose they will give some problem, they will give dash. The dash, if they give, you have tried correct value. There, what ABCD is there? Do you have ABCD? Yeah? When ABCD is there, compulsory in the mains or advanced, compulsory negative marking is there. +1, -1 +3, or -2 +4. This type of questions will come for MCQs. For numerical integers is concerned, gunshot value you need to write. For this one thing, what they will write ABCD? First of all, parents don't know. We should not disturb them. They will write it. You tell them, read well, read well. During reading time, you have to encourage them. When you go to that, and I've seen some of the overactions of the parents while going now, hugging them, all the best. Do that. Is a cricket or what? They need to do well after going to that. We should not disturb them. Basically, they are in tension. And every parent is having over expectation on every child. Over expectation because they expect more because they are doing such a service to you. You should not disturb them. I look at mother very seriously. We will do that. And see, you keep ABCD, anything you keep, don't leave any question. Is it academic exam or what? A prestigious exam. So they don't know that what is happening. Come on, list off. Come on, fast. List off. What is this now? Bracket. Sorry, bracket. Float of what? Value. Float of value or int of value or whatever it is. Float of value for value in for value in input of dot what? Split off. So we got the values. For that values we need to go for what? Compute. Compute what? Square roots. Square roots. Square roots. Tell SQ roots is equal to SQ roots is equal to hmm, what is this again? Farhana Khan. Salute to those parents who stand outside of the college in this hot summer for their children. Yes, ma. Farhana. Really, I was also sitting before the center, and it is, of course, I used to sit before the students, and I was sat in. It was because I used to go this time along with her whenever the entrance exam is there, just to give some confidence words. I don't tell keep ABCD. I don't know. I will give some moral stories, morality to not to get tension, not to get tension. I used to say, I used to say to her, I did not write IIT exam. I did not write JEE mains. You are writing good. Do that, but you will do nice. I will say, you keep ABCD. You apply cheat codes. That should not be. We have to tell how Einstein has become a successful person, how these people are successful stories you have to tell. So they'll get confidence boosting. Confidence boosting will give you what? Flourish in their brain. Flourish brain means what? New thoughts will come. So problems can be easily explained. And on yesterday also, I've seen one parent to the boy, all boys only. One father giving chocolate. How he is eating chocolate? I actually I like chocolates very well. Ice cream also I will eat. Chocolate ice cream. I like it very much. I used to eat for every 3 days once, compulsory. The way he is eating chocolate now, he got dislike yesterday. The way he is teaching, completely wrong syntax. The chocolate error came for yesterday, chocolate error. Like index error, chocolate error came. The way he is eating, completely, I cannot describe how he is eating. He can keep that wrapper in the hand and then he can eat. He stay wrapper completely removed and eating by keeping in the hand. How we will go to exam hall? Like that, people don't know how they will do. So let it be. These are all new experiences I'm sharing with you, indicating that we should not do that things. When you want to eat, you can go side and you can eat and come now. Going in the line and eating. Come, start. Tell me now. Syntax, square roots is equal to what I should write it. Compute the square root. How do you do that? Compute the square root. Using what? Map function. Map function. How do you do that? Huh? Okay, map of. Good. Map of. Come on, map of. Function name, comma, iterable object. What is the function name? Anonymous. What is the anonymous? Lambda value colon value. value, star, star, 0.5, comma, what is that now? Values. Each value is going to where? Value. That value is going to compete with what? 0.5. Square root means what? N. N to the power of what? 1 by 2. N to the power of what? 0.5. 0.5. Is it going to be square root will come or not? Square root will come. So all square roots will come. Square roots is of which type now? Map object type. I have to convert into which type? List type. List type I have to convert. I got it what? Square roots. Now I need to get what? Squares. Squares. How do you do the squares? How do you do the squares? Now I asked. Now squares. Now I said squares. Now I'm getting squares. Compute squares. Huh? So squares. Squares is equal to what? Come on. A list of map of lambda value colon value star star 2 comma what values. Everybody is saying because already help is there. Seeing there, telling here, seeing there, telling here, seeing there, telling here. That's what I know every point of yours. So coming to the point back, even to, of course, these days I am telling about entrance exams, all these things. Even to my daughter also yesterday, I started first day, I explained what is the importance of coding. Yesterday, all competitive exams over. Now she is ready to join like you, any of the CSC group. Now I started introduction to programming, I said. Actually, she is very attached to me. Even I am also. Now, when I am explaining, she's feeling tension. I asked at the end, Oma, how are you feeling? Dad, I'm getting fear, Dad, when you are explaining, she's saying. I don't know why. So, but fear must be there or not. So that's why. So how I will explain to you? Like that also I will explain to her, but not more time, 10 to 15 minutes. More than that, like you, I'm entering 1 hour, 40 minutes, 35 minutes like that. So try to follow. And squares is equal to what? List of map of lambda, val into value star star 2. And next is what? Vals. Now I need to print the data. What is that now? Given number, and next is what? Square roots. And next is called what? Given number, and next is what? Squares I will print. How do you print? Print of. I'll carry this previous decorated kind of thing. There I'm going to get it. Here I'm writing. What is this now? Come on. Original value. And next is called what? Come on. Squares. Square roots are, you want to print first? Square roots. Okay. What is this now? ON and next is called what? SQ. SQT. Square root. What I should say? Zip of what? Values, comma. What is the next? Squares. Squares are square roots are. SQR. Square roots. Done. Print what here? Original number. Original number and next is called what? SQT. SQT. I want to print it. Try to run this now. I'll say here 10, 20, 30, some 9 and something like 16. So I got it. 10 square root, 20 square root, 30 square root, 9 square root 3 and 16 square root is called what? 4.0. Are you able to follow? 10 square root is called what? 3.333 etc. It is coming. You try to run what you know I am writing. 4, 9, 4, 4, 9. Next is called 16, 25 and next is called 36 and 49. You see, it is going to print what? Exactly that squares will come. Are you following? Next, if I write it 2 and 3 and then 5, you are getting 2 square root is 1.414. This one is coming like this. Are you able to follow? Getting? Square roots and then next I want to print. I will go for one more thing. What is the next stage? Original value and next is called what? Squares. I want to go for squares. How do you print it? Here I am writing. What is this now? Squares I am going to say. Squares I am going to say. Try to run it. SQ. SQ I will say. Square. No problem even if you use SQ also. Done. Try to run guys. Here I am writing something like 10, 20, 3, 4, and then 16 I am saying. See students, I got it. These are called original values and square roots. These are called original values and what? Squares I got it. 10 square, 20 square, 3 square, 4 square, 16 square. Are you able to get it? This is about the program like this. Did you understand? Fine. Online students, I hope this is more clear about, I think so. Its result is like this. This is another result like this. Online students, I hope it is more clear. One more example. Write down. Another example. Look at ma once you okay. You look at please. One example I want to take. Suppose salary list. Salary list, correct? This is one salary list. Now I'm taking one more kind of thing. Salary list is equal to 10, 20. Okay. I will take basic example. I will take it. LST1 is equal to LST1 is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. LST2 is equal to I'll say 100, 200, 300, and 400. 400. This is called something like this. Or if you want to take some meaning thing, this is called what? Sal list. Sal list. This is called what commission list. Commission list we can say. Salary list and then commission list I can say. You take reverse. You take like this, students. Salary is called what Salary is called 100 rupees, whose commission is 10. What is the total salary? What is the TOT salary is equal to 110. What is the salary here? 200. What is the commission? What is the total salary? Salary plus commission. What is this now? 220. 330. Next is called what? 440. This is comes under what? Total salary list. Able to get it? This is comes under salary list, commission list. I got total salary. Like this, I got it. I think you are following me. This indicates addition of what? Two lists I am going to take it. Addition of what? Two list objects I want to go for it. Addition of two list objects I want to go for it. For that, I will go for what? This list plus this list. I'll send it to what? Map. So that what is the so far the basic map example? Iterable object, function name, comma. What is that? Function name, comma. What you are passing? Iterable object you passed it. Iterable object you passed it. Iterable object you passed it. Each value of iterable object go to where? But here today I'm having what? Two iterable objects are there. That is the point. Today I am writing a new extra one. Function name. I am passing function name, comma, iterable object 1, comma, iterable object 2 I am passing, comma, iterable object 3 also I can pass it. How this works? Map function takes the first two values. First value of obj1, first value of obj2. That will be done according to the logic you have written it. Second value of obj1, second value of obj2. This will repeat that process until equal values are maintaining. Unequal values are there, it won't consider. That I want to tell you the example here. Are you following this now? That is called what? First value of salary, first value of commission. First value of salary, second value of salary, second value of commission. Third value of salary, third value of commission. Fourth value of salary, fourth value of commission. Two values will be supplied to the function. That is going to give you the total salary like that. Now I will carry this example first. Let me carry this. Online students, I hope you are trying to follow me. Try to example. Go to that place. I am taking map function map function example 5.py. Example 5.py. There I am writing. Take this example. I'm writing. Here I am writing like this. Total salary I want to get it. What you will do? TOT sal is equal to directly I'm writing. What is that now? Map of what is the function name? What is the function name here? Lambda sal comma commission comma COMM colon sal plus commission comma what is this now? Sal list comma what is this now? Commission list I'm passing. Beautiful. They're all beautiful examples. One map is taking what? Function name, and this is called a function name. Logic is written. This is called a function name. Passing what? Two things I'm passing. Map of what? Function name, comma. What is this now? List 1, comma. What is this now? List 2. First value of ls1, first value of ls2. Passing to whom? Function name. What I did? Both of them added. Both of them added. Now print. What is this now? Beautiful decorative part I will carry. What I am going to take up? Observe it. Here I am writing. What is this now? Come on. Salary, comma, what next? Commission. I'll go for using commission. Next is called what? Backslash T. What is this now? Total salary. I am writing there. Here I am writing sal, comma, commission, comma, TOT sal. TOT, T sal, I will write it. Here I will say what now? Tell me. Come on. Sal list, comma, commission list. Commission list, I will say. Commission list. What is the next? TOT sal. TOT sal. I will print it there. Backslash T. Like this. What I'm printing? Sal, comma, COMM, comma, T sal. Beautiful. Try to run. You are getting beautiful answer. 110, 220, 330, 440 like that. Are able to get it? Simple way I got it. So backslash T, you use it and try to run this. Got it. Answer we got it. Salary plus like this. This I am going to take up. See students, if it is unequal lengths are there, it will consider what? Equal supply will be done. Equal supply will be done. Are you following? Equal supply will be done. You say next, you say, here you say only one value you supply it. And see this now, what is happening? Only one value will be coming. Now, my conclusion is, if that is the case, this is called what? Map function example 5.py. Online students, are you comfortable with this? Are you comfortable with this example? Yes, I am going to show you the dynamism now. If you come across, this is called one stage. This is called one stage. Next, most general thing I am going to explain, expecting it. This is the salary. Here I am having 500, 600, 700, 800. And the commission will be there only for first four people. First four people. 500, 600, 800 will not be there. That time, how many answers will be coming? First four only will be coming. First four only will be coming. This is simply called as what? Adding of two list and becoming what? Third list. Adding of two list and becoming third list. This is adding of two list objects and becoming what? Third list. How I do this? By using what function? Map function. You can do it. Now here also I am telling in the form of an application. Salary list, commission list. That time how many values are coming? Four values are coming because of four equal values are there. So what you will do intelligently here? What you will do intelligently here? With your knowledge, what you are supposed to do? Come on, all of you try to interact with me. With your knowledge, what you will do? What with your knowledge, what you will do? Knowledge is there or not there? There or not there? At least tell me that. There or not there? There. Tell me now. With your knowledge, what you will do? Salary you take it, sir. And a commission list also you take it, sir. But whoever commission is not there, do what? You add zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0. How many zeros? 4 zeros you add, sir. And then equal will become or not? 500 plus 0 is called 0. No commission, only salary. No commission means zero commission. 500 plus 0, 600 plus 0, 700 plus 0. How do you know that it is going to be? Here I am writing. This situation will be coming if length of what? Sal list is more than what? If length of sal list is more than what? Length of which one? Commission list. Commission list. If that is the case, you insert the zeros. How many zeros? How do you know that 4 zeros? Then I'm writing. See the beautiful logic. Then place, place. How many zeros? Place zeros. How many? How many zeros? Length of that minus what? Length of commission list. Length of sal list how many? 8. 8 minus how many commission list? 4. This many zeros I need to place. In where? Commission list. Did you understand this logic? Alternatively, another way of logic, online students, you see students, these are your salaries. Commission is there. Commission is there. What is this now? In this case, what is your knowledge is going to be? With this, with your knowledge, what you are going to do? With your knowledge, what are you doing? This is your salary list. This is your salary list. What is happening here? What is happening? If salary list less than what? Less than what? What is the salary list size? 2. 2 less than what? 2 less than how many commissions are there? 4. 2 less than 4, true or not? Place zeros. In where? Place zeros in where? In salary list. What is that? How many? Length of commission list minus length of what? That is nothing but 4 minus 2. How many zeros? Here 2 zeros will be placed. This is the logic. And finally do what? Mapping. Mapping. There is a beautiful knowledge. Online students, is this concept is understandable? Now I'm going to implement it. Shall we start off? Let us start implementing this concept. So I'm going to take up. Online students, totally not responding. Maybe you are sleeping or what, I don't know. Sleeping, huh? All the students, offline, online students, completely not responding. Just now you wake up, I think so. Only 2 people says no, sir. So now slowly you are responding. Now I'll come to the logic. Actually, I need not to tell you this much of examples. I can say beginning, finished. Because of coding only, your life will settle. If only reading textbooks, theory, nothing will happen. Anything happen? Nothing will happen. Already 22 years is an example for you. Now, I'm going to move to the further. Now I will say same example. I'm going to take up. See that I'm going to take up this. I'm going to carry this. You see, I'll do quickly this programming. Map function, example 6.py. Where I'm going to write it. You see, students, commission list, map function, example 6 dot what? Py. There I am writing. Carefully try to follow. Tell me now what I am doing. Float of salary for for what I am doing. Sal in input of dot what? Split off. Split off. This is my logic. And there I am writing print of what? Enter list of salaries. Enter list of salaries. Enter list of salaries. Separated by separated by what? Space. Next I'm going to say, I'll write it, print of what? Enter list of commission, commission values, commission values separated by, separated by space, separated by space. There I will write it, same to same. Here I am writing. Once you come to one stage, students, things will come automatically when you do well. Commission. Got it. There I am printing. What is this now? Sal list is equal to, there I am writing sal list. And next is what you know? Print of what? Commission list is equal to, here I am writing commission list. COMM list. Try to run once and then see. Here I am writing 1000, 2000, 3000, 3000, 4500, 4000, enough. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Like that I got it. These are all salary list and these are all called what? Commission list. Now I need to decide any three things I will cover. Are they equal in length? One is greater in length, less in length, I will decide. Shall we start? How do you do that? Come on. This part, you keep it aside. I will remove after a few minutes. This I will remove after a few minutes. How do you find the length of that? Come on. If len of sal list, len of sal list greater than len of what? Commission list. Len of commission list. If that is the case, that means salary list is more than what? Commission list. Example, sal. Here I am having 100 comma 200 comma 300 comma 400. Now here it is called what you know? Commission list. 10 comma 20. Only like that I have. What is the length of salary list? 4. 4 greater than what? 2. That is true. What should I do that time? Length of that 4 minus 2. That is a 2. 2 zeros you add to whom? Commission list. How do you do that? Madhubabu, for I in range of range of len of sal list minus len of commission list commission list commission list. This will become what? Len of LST is how much? 4. 4 minus 2. 2. That is simply saying what? For I in range of, what is this now? 2. 2 means what? 0, comma 1. 2 times loop is repeated or not? The 2 times I will add 2 zeros to whom? Commission list. How do you do that? Commission list, how do you add the zeros? How do you add the zeros? Only sitting in front of me is not correct. You have to speak out. So I am writing here what? Commission list dot append of what? 0. You don't know append? You know. Sin theta, you know. Cos theta, you know. But problems you don't know. Why? Practicing not there. Seriousness is not there. Append, you know. Value 0, you know. Commission list also, you know. But that thoughts important. Thoughts important. The thoughts, whenever it comes, that you are powerful. Okay, this is in the case of what? Sal list is more than what? Commission list. If. If I am writing. If means what? Opposite. Come on, what is this now? Len of commission list. Commission list. Greater than what? Len of what? Sal list. If that is the case, what I will do? For loop, I will write it. What the for loop I will say? For I in range of len of commission list minus len of sal list that I will write it. I in range of len of commission list minus len of sal list. To whom I have to add? Sal list dot append of 0. Append of 0. Beautiful. Either if statement will execute or elif will execute. You just print it after that. What is this now? Sal list is equal to is equal to comma what? Shall list. Next you print it after that. Other statements I am writing here. Commission list is equal to what? COMM commission list. See students, write or run. Beautiful. Here I am writing 1000, 2000, 3000, 300, 400, 500, 600, 10, 20, 30, 30. See what is happening. Is it 3 zeros added or not? 3 zeros added or not? Yes, 3 zeros added. If you want, you can add 0.0 also, no problem. For which one is added? Commission. You go for next. You say 100, 200, 300, 400, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 15, 16, 17. You see that what is happening? Up to 40, it is okay. 140, okay. 50, okay. 60, these are all. Here onwards, it is added. These many zeros are not. Why these many zeros are added? This zero for this zero for this one, this one, this one, this one. 90. And this one, and this one. And the last is this one. Understood? If that equal, you enter, equal, you enter, equal. You say here 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 10, 20, 30, 40. No more values are added. Whatever you entered, same thing is there. Is a logic. That when you look at the problem, you need to have a skill to solve that problem. When question come in examination, you should get automatically the mind has to prepare to find the solution. That is called expert. Correct. So that you will get the your investment is called your knowledge is an investment in the company. Correct. So come to the point of it. Now I will go to this place. Now I'm going to enter into the further. Now I will do what now? Go for the logic of what? Mapping. Compute. Compute. What is this now? Total salary. Total salary. Total salary. Come on, start. Madhubabulo. Total sal is equal to list of map of lambda sal comma commission sal comma commission colon sal plus a commission comma what is this now sal list comma commission list. Already explained. Why are you not saying? Problem, huh? So students, I want to print the data. How do you print the data? Like old designing mechanism. I'll carry this old designing mechanism. That's all. Simple. Run. See. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees. See that this is the equal values are coming. For unequal values added 0. Beautiful. Get it or not? Online students, see. Beautiful. Right or run again. Here 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 100, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 150, 250. So I got it. These are all called zeros added or not? This is only equal values are there. Rest of them are what unequal values are done. It is subject. And then go for last and final. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. 100 rupees, 200 rupees, 300 rupees, 300 rupees, 400 rupees. But the equal values maintaining. This is subject. Understood? See on map how many examples I am saying. Tomorrow somebody will ask you addition of 3 numbers. Commission is there plus what? Bonus also will be there. Salary plus commission plus extra bonus annually. Bonus plus commission plus you need to add to what? Salary. 3 list I want to adding. Possible? Possible. How? Map only. Map is useful or not? Yes. What is the use of map? Map Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, world map now. What is the map? Map is used for converting old iterable object into new iterable object by applying list of iterable values to the function. Syntax. Variable name is equal to map of function name, comma, iterable object 1, iterable object 2, iterable object 3, iterable object n. Those many things you can take it. That is called iterable object. I think you are understanding the meaning of that. Clear or not clear? Clear. This is about map concept it is. Clear? Right. So like this, will you do that? Fine. Can you multiplication of two lists? How? Instead of plus symbol, you can go for what? Star. Star. You can go like that. Are you following? Right. Write down. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will which will multiply which will multiply two list objects. 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 Okay. Classwork or homework? Homework, huh? Will you do homeworks? Online students, homeworks or classwork? Homework or classwork? Homework. Mahalakshmi says that homework. Anup Kumar says that homework. Saraswati says homework. Srija says homework. Smaranika Behra says homework. Others did not say anything. That is a sleeping work, I think so. Maybe I feel like. Mohammad Asim says homework. Good. So all of them. Chinnababu says that homework. Okay. Now, write down. Next. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept, which will accept, which will accept list of words, list of words in two types of list objects, 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 and concatenate, and concatenate, and concatenate the two list objects. Concatenate the two list objects. Very, very important. Concatenate two list objects. Do you know concatenation? What is concatenation? Huh? Adding. See, here I am writing, here I am writing something like LST1 is equal to, LST1 is equal to cat, cat, cat. Next is called dog, dog. Next is called what? Human, human, human. Next is called what? Something like, something like tiger, something like tiger. Next, animal name, animal name, animal. Next, I am taking Hemnad, Hemnad, you are raising hand. Any problem? Next is called sound. Sound I am taking. Sound. Cat. How cat will sound? Good. Good knowledge is there. Dog. Human. No, whatever it is, you listen. Come on, next. Human. Human. No sound. You are saying answers. There is a sound only now. Human. So. Huh? Manohar says. Manohar says. Manohar says AWW. What is that? Something. Manohar says that I took it. Tiger says, Tiger says, Ganesh, Ganesh Babu is saying very good, interesting word. Unnecessary sound, correct. Real. Ganesh Babu is correct. Unnecessary sound only. Real, correct. Unnecessary sound. Neha, roar. Yeah, roar. This is the one. Now I will say animal sound. I want to get it. Animal sound. This is a small animal sound I am taking. This is called one. These are all hacker ranking examples on map related words. So say what? I want to get what? Cat. Cat. What is this now? Meow. Next, dog. Bow. Next, human. Human. Unnecessary sound. Subject sound. No, unnecessary sound. Come on. Next is what? Just is doing what? Roar. This is what I want to get the answer. This is what I want to get the answer. Classwork or homework? If we say, I will do quickly. Suspense is not important. Classwork. Strictly classwork. No homework. Ah, So let us do that. So Saraswati, you will try ma? Okay, ma, no problem. So coming to the point back, now I'm going to take up map example 7.py. Map example, map function example 7.py. See students, map example 7.py. Map function example 7.py. See students, here I am writing all the things need to follow according to our requirement. Comma, 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 all these things you need to take care. Are you following me now? So here I'll try to write the logic. All of them are there. Now I'll write the logic. Come on, how do you do? What is my new one? Animal list. Animal sound is my name I would like to take. I need to write underscore here because hyphen not allowed as a variable name is equal to. I'll write it tuple here. Tuple conversion I am doing. Tuple conversion. What should I write it? You're unable to say map of lambda. You are learning only lambda in the class, not other things. Lambda. Next, ANI comma lambda. What is this now? ANI called SND sound. What is that? First, what is coming? Here I will write the logic. Here I will write the logic. What I will write it now? Animal I will write it. Ama what I will write it? Sound I will write it. First value of animal will go to where? ANI. Sound value will go to where? SND. I will concatenate. How I will concatenate? ANI plus and one hyphen I want in the middle and what you know SND. That's all. SND plus I will do it. SND. Because my output I am expecting with what? Cat with hyphens I used or not. That's all. That's all. What is that now? Get it? The decorative part. Get it? The decorative part. ZIP function concept. What is this now? Animal. Animal. And what this? Sound. Sound. And the next is called what? Result. Result. Animal sound. This is known as what? AN, comma, SN. I will go to this. Comma, what next? AN, Chip of what here? Animal. Animal. Comma, what next? Sound. Sound. Comma, what here? Animal sound. Animal sound. That I am going to print it. AN, comma, AN, comma, what is this now? SN, comma, AN, SN. AN, SN. Beautiful. Run. I got it. Of course, unnecessary sound will become a lot of space also. Are you following? Cat. Got it. Dog. Human. more space is taking. So like this, like that I am taking. If as one student said that what, ah, like that, something like that, if I do it, so you'll get it, something like this. Are you able to follow? Simple. Anything is given easily, you can do it. Correct or not? Like that, you need to do it. This is called which concept? Map concept. So within no time, map time is getting over. Now almost it is 5:36. Different examples. By listening this example, you'll feel very easy. I'm not giving one example on one topic, multiple examples I'm giving. Then if you don't read out, if you don't put efforts on that kind of lecture, how it is? Problem. Problem. So education means continuous work until you get the job. It's not a business now. In business, you can do some, if you do good business, somewhere else or the other, somewhere else some fishy will be there or not. Definitely some cheating will be there. So in education, in coding, if you do cheating, error will come. That's why education is one of the prestigious job. If you do error, what will happen? Error will come. Error means they won't take it. Your program will not be validated, correct or not? That's why you need to do well this coding and everything. This concept I will send you. Map function concept is shown. On that concept, these many examples are started. See, concept is very simple. Last paragraph is important. How it is executing. What are the points of it? Anonymous functions carried, everything. And tomorrow class, when I come back, what? Reduce. I will explain reduce. Reduce programs, I'll tell you. Filter with reduce. Filter with map. Filter map reduce combined together all of them. We are doing what? Separately we are learning. We will combine all of them and we will prepare some more examples. Understand? You see in any of the website, filter map and etc. On one small example, finish it up. And tomorrow I'll tell you map filter with reduce. I'll tell you the example. Don't miss tomorrow class. So tomorrow we'll meet for the reduce and combined together we'll explain. Thank you, students. All the best. And any online students having the doubt, you please hold on. I'll clarify your doubts. Within few seconds, I'll connect to you. Thank you, students. Carry on. Online students, Deepak.
Hello.
Deepak.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Deepak.
Yes, sir, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
No, speak properly so that I can hear you.
Okay, I'm hearing you. The class is going good and it's being pretty fast-paced. So I think more practice is needed as we do this. Uh,
No.
what I wanted to know is, how many more classes are left in this particular thing?
Left out classes you are asking.
Yes, sir.
So it takes some more time. After that, I'll start modules. After that, packages. After that, exception handling. After that,
Hmm.
files. After that, database communication with Python. After that, oops, I'll go for next decorators, iterators, multi-threading, network programming. I'm going to talk these many topics.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So maybe another 30 class, maybe?
Yeah, 30, 40
Okay. Okay.
days.
30, 40 days. Okay. All right. So thank you.
Right. Any more students? Any more students having the doubt? Okay, students. Now I will upload your notes and then download it and then try to practice. Okay, students. So no more hand raising symbols are available here. I'll just upload the notes. Take care. All the best.